Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. Welcome again with another live forex analysis and trading plans of GBP USD and gold for today. First of all, we are going to discuss about our yesterday's plans which we have given in the yesterday video. So first of all, we are going to see gold chart. Here you can see that this was our trading plan yesterday. If you can see on M15 time frame, market comes down, pick this order and TP hit. Then market comes down and so on. Our trading plan was also a buy trade on this area. So this was a TP. Hope you are all enjoyed this trade. So now we are going to check our GBP USD analysis which we have given in yesterday. So this was the trading plan for yesterday on GBP USD. Market was here, I think when we post this video, market comes up, pick this order, comes down, almost 80% profit done. Then market comes again in, then market comes down and hit this TP also. So these are two trading plans for yesterday, both trades active and TP hit. Hope you are all enjoyed these trading plans. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and set all notifications on to get latest updates from us. We are sharing our daily live forex analysis and also giving our trading plans of gold and GBP USD on daily basis. So without wasting any time, let's do some analysis for today. These are our areas which we draw in yesterday. So right now we are going to set these areas again. So first of all, we remove this area. Now you can see there is a resistance, there is a support level, and there is a, you can say, support level also, and this is I'm going to consider this area as a demand area. So now we are going to do some analysis. Okay, so this is the supply area on M30 time frame. You can sell from here with 1-2 risk reward, and if you are looking for buy trade, you can see this is our demand area. You can buy from this demand area with 1-2 risk reward, and this is our support level which we drawn in yesterday's video. So if market comes down from this area, you can also sell from here with 1-2 risk reward on breakout trade. Okay, so right now we are going to do some fresh live analysis for gold, and I will also give you trading plan for today on gold. Okay, so this is our trading plan which we given on gold yesterday. So first of all, we are going to remove this area. This area is also going to remove. We are going to remove this area again and this area also. So right now we are going to do some live fresh analysis on gold. Okay, so on gold we see only two supply areas. On these areas you can sell from here with 1-2 risk reward. If this SL hit, then you can again enter with another supply area with 1-2 risk reward. So these are some trading plans for today on gold and GBP USD. If you did not follow us on our other platforms, please make sure you are following us on other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Telegram. The links of these platforms are given in the description box. We are also going to start our live trading room on Zoom. If you are interested, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is showing on your screen. Make sure you subscribe our channel and set all notifications on. See you in next video. Bye bye.